What's up Windows nerds, and welcome to another Windows 10 tips and tricks video. So what I want to show you in this video is something really simple that might have bothered you for a long time. You may want to have another icon here in your activity view or field or whatever it's called, but you don't know how to get it there. Should you right click? Should you do yada yada? What you should do is that you click with your left mouse button and then you drag it. You see what I'm doing here? You see what I'm doing? Oh shit! It's like getting a fish on the hook. And then finally, when you get it over the ribbon here, you just let go. And it's pinned here forever. No, actually it's not pinned forever. What if you tap here and then try to drag it out? That's not working. But I got up this menu by clicking and dragging. And here you can unpin it from the taskbar. I think you can also right click and just unpin it and then it disappears. So that's just how you add or take something away from this taskbar. Thanks so much for watching and see you in another video.